Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to disable share location with Bing on Skype app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to disable sharing your location with Bing on Skype can help protect your privacy and prevent your whereabouts from being tracked by the service. Disabling this feature ensures that your location information is not shared with Bing or any other third-party services, providing you with greater control over your privacy settings within the app. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly open Skype app on your device. Okay, so here tap on profile icon at the corner and then select settings option here. Well, after that, you can choose privacy menu. And then look for share location with Bing. After that, turn this toggle off. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to disable share location with Bing on Skype app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.